And hello guys, welcome to new tech review, and today we have Asus Prime A320M-K motherboard with AM4 socket and DDR4 memory. This is the model. So let's begin. First of all, this is what the box looks like, and this is the motherboard's model. These are some features that this motherboard has. This motherboard has A320 chipset and it supports RYZEN processors. This is the motherboard's serial number and model. On this side we have again the model. First important feature of this motherboard is extreme stability, which is possible with Asus 5X Protection 3. Next feature is superb performance. Fan Expert lets you choose profile of fan speed that makes your PC quiet. Here is motherboard's picture, and let's see what it looks like. Here I'm opening the box. Here we have a specification updates info. Next is a SATA cable. Then there's I/O shield. This is I/O shield. And these are safety informations about motherboard in various languages. This is motherboard's driver. And there's a user guide. I got to mention that this motherboard cost me only €40, which is about $50, which makes it very low priced motherboard that has AM4 socket. Here is the RAM slot. This is the label. Here's what it looks like from the back. Here are the SATA slots for data transfer. It has one PCIe 16 slot and two PCIe 1 slots. AM4 socket. On the back panel it has PS2 connectors, VGA, HDMI, two 3.0 USBs, two standard USBs, again 3.0s, LAN and audio jacks. Here is the 4-pin CPU power supply connector. Here it says DDR4 support and Fan Expert. This motherboard also has LAN guard, which ensures a more reliable connection and better throughput. That's it for this review. Thank you for watching. I would like you to subscribe and like this video and comment. See you next time.